Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut sound muffle tutorial. So if you want to make the sound of your video sound muffled, you can follow this easy step. So this one is pretty new on CapCut. And what you need to do is just add the clips that you want to.
Are you still using the same belt? Well, it's definitely time for a change.
So this is the normal voice of the video, and if you want to make it sound muffled, you can go to the audio in here, then go to the voice changer. And here under the voice filter, you can just scroll down until you find the muffled option. This one, muffled. You can just tap on that, and as you guys can hear, the sound or the voice is now sound muffled. Here you can always adjust the strength of the muffle. So this is for 100%, and let's lower it to, for example, 40.
Just like this.
Okay, so it sound muffled but still clear. So you can adjust the strength to how you like it. And that's how you can easily make a video sound muffled on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.